before starting with this problem, I would highly recommend you to watch the previous example, since I'll be using the data from the previous problem. Now here we have the thief who starts running at 12 noon and with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Another policeman now starts running behind the thief at 12:15 p.m. with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. And they have asked us to find out the distance between the thief and the new policeman when the first policeman has already caught the thief. So here we know that there are 15-minute time gap between the two. So the thief would have covered a distance of, speed is 60 into time is 15 minutes, which is 15 by 60 hours. So a distance of 15 kilometers. Now, if you look at the relative speed between the two of them, they run at the same speed. So relative speed is going to be 0. Since the relative speed is 0, the distance between the policeman and the thief is going to be constant throughout, even after the police has caught the thief. So this means your answer is going to be 15 kilometers.